Begin by finding a comfortable position, either by sitting or laying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, holding it for a moment. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to relax with each breath, letting go of any tension, stress, or worries. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, allow your body to become more and more relaxed. That's right. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you. And with each breath, you're becoming more centered and more at peace. You're becoming more open to the positive changes that await you. And remember, you're in a safe, secure, and comfortable space. And right now, nothing else matters. All that matters is this moment where you're free to relax and let go and open your mind to the possibilities of abundance and wealth. And imagine now a warm golden light starting at the top of your head, slowly descending down your body. This golden light is soothing, calming, and deeply relaxing. It moves from your head to your neck, releasing any tension, easing any tightness. As the light moves down your shoulders, arms, and chest, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Your muscles are losing, and any stress is melting away. That's right. The light continues down through your abdomen, hips, thighs, bringing deep sense of calm and peace. Now it flows down through your knees, down to your feet, releasing all tension, leaving you completely relaxed from head to toe. You're now deep relaxation. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful, lush garden. And this is your garden of abundance, a place where everything you desire flows to you easily and effortlessly. Everything flows to you easily and effortlessly. The air here is fresh and the atmosphere is filled with positive energy and light. As you step into this garden, notice the vibrant colors of the flowers, the richness of the greenery, and the golden sunlight, inviting more and more glow. This garden is alive with the energy of abundance. And as you walk through it, you feel this energy flowing into you, filling you with a sense of limitless potential and prosperity. Now take a moment to find a comfortable place to sit in the garden. And as you do, notice how every plant, every tree, and every flower around you is thriving, growing, and flourishing. And this exactly is a reflection of your own life, where abundance and wealth are natural, effortless, ever present. This is a reflection of your own life, where abundance and wealth are natural, effortless, and ever present. This is a reflection of your own life. Feel it. As abundance and wealth are natural, effortless, and ever present. And now that you feel it and believe it, because deep down you know this is true. This is the reflection of your own life. This is your birthright. Now, as you sit in the garden of abundance, begin to repeat the following affirmations in your mind and allow each one to resonate deeply within you. Launch planting seeds of abundance and wealth in your subconscious mind. I am deserving of abundance and wealth. I am deserving of abundance and wealth. I am deserving of abundance and wealth. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly. Wealth flows to me easily. Wealth flows to me easily. I'm open to receive unlimited prosperity. I am open to receive unlimited prosperity. I'm open to receive unlimited prosperity. I am a magnet for success and financial abundance. I am a magnet for success and financial abundance. I am a magnet for success and financial abundance. And as you repeat these affirmations, feel them becoming a part of you. They are not just words, they are truths that are manifesting in your life right now. You're aligned with the energy of abundance, and it is flowing to you in all areas of your life. You're aligned with the energy of abundance, and it is flowing to you in all areas of your life. And now, in your mind's eye, visualize your life filled with wealth and abundance. See yourself living in a beautiful home, surrounded by luxury and comfort. Imagine the freedom that comes with financial security, where you can pursue your passion, support your loved ones, and contribute to causes you care about. And see the abundance flowing into your bank accounts, investments growing, and new opportunities for wealth appearing before you. Notice how good it feels to be financially abundant, how it brings joy, peace, and fulfillment to your life. This wealth is not just for you, but also for those around you. Imagine yourself sharing this abundance, lifting others up, and making a positive impact on the world. As wealth flows to you and through you, wealth flows to you and through you. Wealth flows to you and through you, creating a ripple effect of prosperity and good in the world. Take your time, feel, see, hear what you need to feel, see, or hear. Absorb this moment. And as you absorb this moment, I want you to make this feeling bigger and bigger and bigger. As you have done so, when you're ready, bring your index finger to your thumb and anchor. Anchor this moment so throughout the day or night, whenever you need to, you think and you feel what you're feeling now. Anchor this beautiful moment, and the more you anchor throughout the day or at night, the stronger and stronger this anchor becomes. That's right. And now it's time to bring this feeling of abundance and wealth back with you to the present moment. Know that the seeds of prosperity have been planted deep within your subconscious mind, and they will continue to grow and manifest in your life. Take a deep breath in, feeling the energy of abundance within, and as you exhale, know that this energy will stay with you now and forever, guiding you and attracting wealth and prosperity into your life. That's right. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body, feeling the surface beneath you. Move your fingers and toes, and when you're ready,